Good morning, Priya. I'm excited to explore Python's data structures with you. We'll focus on lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries, and strings. Let's make this interactive and practical. Are you ready?
Good morning, Shyam sir. I'm ready and eager to learn.
Let's start with lists. They're like dynamic arrays that can hold multiple items. Lists are mutable, meaning you can change their contents. Here's an example. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Print fruits. Fruits.append orange. Print fruits. Fruits 1 is equal to blueberry. Print fruits. Can you tell me what happens after each line of code? Initially, we have apple, banana, cherry. After appending orange, the list becomes apple, banana, cherry, orange. Changing the second item to blueberry gives us apple, blueberry, cherry, orange. Lists are great for tasks like maintaining a to-do list or storing user data. Can you try creating your own list with your favorite movies? Movies is equal to Inception, The Matrix, Interstellar. Print movies. Now let's move on to tuples. Segment 2, tuples. Tuples are similar to lists but are immutable. Once created, you can't modify them. Here's an example, Python. Coordinates is equal to 10, 20. Print coordinates. Hash uncommenting the next line will raise an error. Hash coordinates 0 is equal to 15. Tuples are useful for fixed data, like coordinates or configuration settings. Why do you think immutability might be important? Exactly. Now, can you create a tuple for the dimensions of a rectangle? Python. Rectangle underscore dimensions is equal to 5, 10. Print rectangle underscore dimensions. Excellent. Now, on to sets. Segment 3, sets. Sets are unordered collections of unique items. They are great for removing duplicates or checking membership. Python. Numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Print numbers. Numbers.add 5. Print numbers. Hash adding a duplicate. Numbers.add 3. Print numbers. Sets automatically ignore duplicates. Try creating a set of your favorite colors and adding a duplicate color. Python. Colors is equal to red, blue, green. Colors.add blue. Print colors. Let's now discuss dictionaries. Segment 4, dictionaries. Teacher, dictionaries store data as key-value pairs. They're like real-world dictionaries where you look up a word to find its meaning. Python. Student underscore info is equal to name, Priya, age, 20, course, Python. Print student underscore info. Print student underscore info, name. Student underscore info, age, is equal to 21. Print student underscore info. It's so easy to retrieve and update data. Exactly. Dictionaries are widely used in applications like storing API responses or user data. Can you create a dictionary for your favorite book with details like title, author, and year? Python. Book is equal to title, 1984, author, George Orwell, year, 1949. Print book. Perfect. Finally, let's talk about strings and string manipulation. Segment 5, strings and string manipulation. Strings in Python are immutable sequences of characters. You can perform various operations on them. Here's an example, Python. Greeting is equal to hello, Priya. Print greeting. Print greeting.upper. Print greeting.lower. Print greeting.replace Priya world. You can manipulate strings easily. Absolutely. Strings are everywhere, in file handling, web development, and more. Can you write a string and perform a couple of operations on it? Python. Message is equal to Python is fun. Print message.split. Print message.find fun. Great job. String slicing is another powerful feature. For instance, Python. Print message 06 hash output Python. Today, we covered lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries, and strings with examples. Practice is key, Priya. Try solving some exercises in the book. Now we can start difference between all of them. 1. Sets. Lists in Python are one of the most versatile data structures. They allow you to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are ordered. The items in a list are arranged in a specific order, and this order is maintained. Mutable. You can modify a list after creating it by adding, removing, or changing items. Heterogeneous. A single list can contain items of different data types. Lists are ideal for managing dynamic collections of data. Examples include maintaining a shopping cart, tracking user input, or even representing rows in a table. 2. Tuples. Tuples are similar to lists but with a key difference. They are immutable, meaning once a tuple is created, its contents cannot be changed. Tuples are ordered, like lists. Tuples maintain the order of their elements. Immutable. Once created, the elements cannot be added, removed, or modified. Heterogeneous. Tuples can also contain a mix of data types. Tuples are used when you want to create a collection of items that should remain constant throughout the program. Common use cases include geographic coordinates, fixed configuration settings, or grouping data logically. 3. Sets. Sets in Python are collections that are unordered. The elements in a set do not maintain any specific order. Unique sets do not allow duplicate elements, automatically removing any duplicates. Mutable. While the contents can be modified by adding or removing elements, sets themselves are not indexed or sliced. Sets are particularly useful for tasks such as removing duplicates from a list, performing mathematical set operations like union and intersection, or checking membership efficiently. 4. Dictionaries. Dictionaries are collections of key-value pairs. Each key is unique and maps to a specific value. Key characteristics of dictionaries include unordered. Unlike lists, the order of key-value pairs in a dictionary is not guaranteed. Mutable. You can add, update, or remove key-value pairs after a dictionary is created. Keys. Keys must be immutable, e.g. strings, numbers, or tuples, and unique. Dictionaries are widely used in applications such as storing user profiles, configuration settings, or lookup tables. They offer fast retrieval of values based on their keys. 5. Strings and string manipulation. Strings in Python are sequences of characters enclosed within single, double, or triple quotes. Key properties of strings include immutable. Once a string is created, it cannot be changed. Any operation on a string creates a new string. Sequence. Strings can be indexed, sliced, and iterated over like other sequence types. String manipulation allows for tasks such as formatting text, searching for substrings, replacing text, or splitting strings into smaller parts. Strings are fundamental in file handling, user interfaces, and web development.
Thank you, Shyam sir. This session was super helpful. I'll practice and share my progress.
You are welcome. See you in the next session. Happy coding!